I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mania on Android. First, you will need to download the appropriate Mania client for your Android device. It is crucial to ensure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. Once downloaded, proceed with installing the application, making sure to obtain it from a trusted and reliable source to avoid any issues. This initial setup is key to a great experience. After setting up the game, the next step is acquiring beatmaps. You can find numerous Mania beatmap files online from various community sources. Once downloaded, transfer these beatmaps to the designated game folder on your Android device. Proper organization of your beatmaps will make them much easier to find and select when you are ready to play. This step ensures you have plenty of songs to enjoy. Now, let's optimize your in-game settings for the best experience. Adjusting the note speed and scroll direction is vital for comfort and readability during gameplay. Take time to customize your key binds, assigning them to positions that feel most natural for your hands. Additionally, experiment with various skins and visual elements to find a setup that enhances your focus and enjoyment. Personalizing these settings makes a big difference. To truly master Mania, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing easier beatmaps to build a strong foundation in rhythm and timing. Concentrate on hitting notes with precision and maintaining accuracy throughout each song. As your skills develop, gradually challenge yourself with more difficult beatmaps. Remember, improvement comes with dedication and enjoying the process. Keep practicing, and you will see great progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.